Hi friends, let's see today how to download and install Dev C++ on our computer. First of all, go to Google and type there download Dev C++. Here you can get the official website of Dev C++. Click on that and choose here option download original Dev C++ 5. The exe file will be downloaded here shortly. So I have downloaded the same. Yes, then exe file, click on this exe file, click on this exe file and choose here yes, select yes. The Dev C++ will be installed on the machine in less than 1 minute. We need to just agree. First thing is okay. Select the language, okay. Then just click on I agree. Click on next. If you want to change the destination folder, you can change it. I'm keeping it as it is and clicking on install. This is extracting all the required libraries. Yes, and finish. Now have you seen it is downloaded and installed less than a minute, in less than a minute. So it is now installed and click on yes, confirm. The Dev C++ is loading. Okay, here you can see the window and here you can select file, new source file. You can write here the source file. You can write here your code, and from these options, from file, save, you can save it, and from execute, compile, run, you can uncompile and run, you can execute this program. Thank you.